Hey friends, welcome back to Real Life Wednesday, where we talk about living keto or carnivore in the real world. And today we're talking about a phenomenon that drives a lot of us crazy. Why is it that your husband, boyfriend, brother, or maybe even your teenage son can drop weight twice as fast as you, and you're over here working just as hard? You start keto together, you're 2 weeks in, he's down 12 pounds and his pants are falling off, and he's bragging about it. Meanwhile, you're down maybe 3 pounds. It's not that you're doing anything wrong, it's biology. Here's why men tend to lose fat faster. More muscle mass. Muscle burns more calories at rest, so even when they're binge watching TV, they're burning more than we are. They have a higher basal metabolic rate, BMRs. Men's metabolisms are usually faster because of that muscle, and plus they have higher testosterone. Less hormonal fluctuation. Women's weight can shift daily due to menstrual cycle changes, water retention, and hormonal shifts. Men just don't have to deal with that. Men store fat in the abdominal region, which is metabolically active, and it tends to come off faster than the hip thigh fat, which is more common in women. So here's your real life message. So yes, it's frustrating, but remember, fast weight loss isn't always better. Men may drop pounds faster, but women often outpace them in long-term consistency, lifestyle change, and keeping the weight off. So you're not failing because your results don't match his. Your body is built differently, and your hormones are different, and your journey is unique. Play the long game. It's about health, not just speed. So the next time your husband brags about how fast he's losing, remind him that you're in it for the long term to win. And speaking of long-term wins, in an upcoming video, I'm going to be talking about yo-yo dieting, why it happens, how it can wreck your metabolism, and how to finally break the cycle. You'll want to be here for that one. Ladies, have you ever outlasted your husband or partner on a diet? Drop your best revenge success story in the comments. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.